This is a quick look at the Ryobi 18 volt portable soldering iron. I've had this for probably 4 years. Yeah, it's never let me down. It's starting to get a little bit of rust and a bit of bits and pieces on it, which is expected. This is just left out most of the time in under the day room, so it picks up a lot of condensation and moisture in the mornings and that. So it's got the model number here, the year of manufacture, working temp 480 degrees there. Sits nicely in the heat guard. You've got a little button here, press that, the green light will flash. The green light will turn solid once it's fully heated up and ready to use. Another little tip I have done is just hot glued a magnet on the soldering iron just out the way, and then I could use that just to stick my tips and accessories on. So I've always got the other wide tip and a little roll of solder on hand. I just stick that there, and over the 4 years of me having this, I've never lost the tip. I've always got solder here ready to go, which is good. Yeah, today I'm going to make up an adapter from an XT30 to XT60 adapter, just for a little project that I'm going to be doing down the track. So I've got my little helping hand here. As you can see, this is already heated up and ready to go. It heats up real quick, doesn't take long at all. So yeah, let's get into making this adapter. Got my heat sink here ready to go. I've got this all set up ready to solder. As you can see with this, I'll show you here. So I've got the female XT30, so I want to up that to an XT60 female as well, as you can see. So in order to do that, I'm going to need a male. That makes sense, a male to the female, so then it carries on the female XT30 to the female XT60. I've already made another one up here, and as you can see, I've got the female to the male, and that just ups the male to the male, if that makes sense. So what I've done here is turn these lugs around a little bit, so I can just fit these in a little bit closer and get sort of at least one of the XT30s sitting in the lug here. So we're ready to go. Alright, let's get some heat onto this. There we go, we're away. Definitely not the best soldering. I'm sure there's a lot of other videos out there that will be able to show you how to solder a bit better than me. Alright, come on. For some reason this smaller tip doesn't like to pick up the solder like the big one does, so I'm not too sure why, but I'm going to need to condition the tip a bit more. Right, on with the heat shrink. Come on. Shrink it down. There you have it, guys. my 2 adapters all made up, ready to go. Yeah, this soldering iron's been great. I've used this many times over the 4 years I've had it. Never had an issue with it, always heats up quick. Yeah, great buy. And yeah, after 4 years, still going strong. Hopefully many more years to go. Thank you for watching.